Hi Skin Archie Beauties, we're back with another facial service. So in this video, we're going to be doing a VIP facial on one of our clients. A VIP facial is a 90-minute session, but we're going to show you how we perform the service in 5 minutes. So in every facial, we do a double cleanse with 2 different cleansers. The first cleanser removes any makeup, dirt, and excess oils from the day, and the second cleanser will address your particular skin type or concern. Double cleanse can remove more impurities than a single wash and help skin look more radiant. That is why we always promote to our clients to double cleanse at home, especially if you wear makeup. In the professional skincare line we use here at Skin Archie Beauty Bar is called Skin Script, which is also available on our website. And right here, we're using a warm towel to remove the cleanser from our client's face. And then we dry it off with a 4x4. The VIP comes with a microdermabrasion, which is a deep exfoliation treatment that improves the skin texture and appearance. Microderm removes dead skin cells from your skin outermost layer. And it has many benefits such as minimizing fine lines, smooth the skin, and reduce age spot. And we use a diamond tip wand and we gently move it across the skin, and the exfoliated particles are then vacuumed away through the same wand. Microderm promotes new cells to regenerate more quickly than they would ordinarily, and for most adults the skin cycle lasts about a month. So Microderm is one of our most popular, I'll say top 3 most popular services to perform here. After the Microderm, we turn the steamer back on, apply the enzyme, and then get it ready for extractions. Each estheticians perform extraction differently. Our esthetician Asia is using our ultrasonic skin scrubber. This scrubber works through ultrasonic vibration, which can go deep into the pores to remove dirt. The ultrasonic waves can help loosen and remove oil and blackheads. This tool also allows your skincare products to penetrate deeper into the skin and works more effectively. Now we're using the high frequency on our client. So the net looking thing on top of the face looks a little weird, but it's called a face gauze, which helps the high frequency tool glide over the face much easier, and it's also supposed to help with oxygen flow. High frequency tool is one of my favorite tools to use. It helps treat and prevent stubborn acne, shrink enlarged pores, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and many more benefits. You can hear a little buzzing sound, but it does not hurt at all. It's safe to use on clients. Now it's time for the jelly mask. I believe this one is called Antioxidant Goji Jelly Mask. We get our jelly mask from SD Mask. We tried other jelly masks before, but I think this brand has the best quality. And their mask smells so good. Their mask is on the pricier side compared to other jelly masks, but their masks are so hydrating and rich in vitamins and antioxidants. You can apply the jelly mask over the eyes and lips, but we didn't do it this time. While the jelly mask is on the face for 10 minutes, we give our clients a nice relaxing shoulder and neck massage. So once the mask been on the face for 10 minutes, we remove it and then we apply our toner, serum, moisturizer, and SPF. And look how happy she looks, just glowing. If you like to watch more videos, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.